The 2026 BMW M8 is here to redefine performance and luxury in the Grand Touring segment. As the flagship of BMW's M division, the M8 combines aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, and raw power, making it one of the most exciting high-performance coupes and convertibles on the market. BMW has refined the M8's formula, ensuring it stays ahead of the competition while maintaining its signature blend of comfort and speed. With a more powerful engine, updated styling, and enhanced driving dynamics, the 2026 M8 pushes the boundaries of what a luxury sports car can achieve. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M8 is powered by an upgraded 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now delivering even more horsepower and torque than its predecessor. The exact output figures have seen a bump, likely surpassing the 617 horsepower mark of the previous competition model. This additional power translates to even quicker acceleration, with the M8 expected to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds. The 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless power delivery, while BM's xDrive all-wheel drive system provides superior grip and handling precision. Drivers who prefer a more traditional experience can switch to rear-wheel drive mode, allowing for a more engaging and dynamic drive. The chassis and suspension have been further refined for 2026, featuring an improved adaptive M suspension that enhances both comfort and cornering ability. The latest version of BMW's Active M differential and performance-oriented all-wheel drive system work together to provide optimal traction and control, whether on winding roads or the racetrack. The braking system has also been upgraded with larger carbon ceramic brakes available for those who demand the highest level of stopping power. Steering response has been fine-tuned to deliver better feedback and precision, ensuring that the M8 remains one of the most engaging Grand Tourers to drive. On the exterior, the 2026 M8 receives a refreshed design that enhances its aggressive and elegant appearance. The signature kidney grilles have been slightly reshaped, featuring a more aerodynamic design while retaining the bold presence that defines BMW's M models. Slimmer laser headlights with advanced adaptive technology provide improved visibility and a sharper look. The front bumper has been redesigned with larger air intakes to optimize cooling for the high-performance engine. Along the sides, sculpted body lines and flared wheel arches emphasize the car's athletic stance. At the rear, a revised bumper and a more pronounced diffuser enhance aerodynamics, while quad exhaust tips remind everyone of the M8's raw power. A selection of new exterior colors and lightweight forged wheels complete the visual upgrades. Inside the cabin, BMW continues to blend luxury with performance-focused elements. The 2026 M8 features a fully digital cockpit with a larger curved display integrating both the instrument cluster and infotainment system. BMW's latest iDrive system offers improved voice commands, gesture controls, and seamless smartphone integration. A new performance-oriented heads-up display provides real-time driving information, ensuring the driver stays focused on the road. High-quality materials such as Merino leather, carbon fiber trim, and Alcantara headliners create an upscale atmosphere. The redesigned M Sport seats offer enhanced support for spirited driving while maintaining long-distance comfort. Ambient lighting and a premium Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system further elevate the cabin experience. Technology enhancements extend to advanced driver assistance systems, making the M8 both a performance machine and a capable Grand Tourer. The 2026 model includes improved adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an upgraded semi-autonomous driving mode for highway use. A 360-degree camera system with augmented reality navigation helps in urban environments, ensuring ease of maneuverability. Parking assistance and an enhanced night vision system with pedestrian detection add to the safety package. For those who seek even greater exclusivity, BMW offers the M8 competition variant with additional performance tuning, lightweight components, and unique styling elements. This version takes the already impressive M8 to the next level, delivering sharper handling, increased downforce, and an even more aggressive driving experience. The competition model also features exclusive interior trims and special badging, setting it apart from the standard M8. Fuel efficiency has also seen improvements thanks to BMW's latest engineering advancements. While performance remains the priority, the M8 benefits from refined engine mapping and lightweight materials that contribute to better overall efficiency. The addition of mild hybrid technology further optimizes power delivery and reduces emissions, making the M8 a more responsible choice without sacrificing its exhilarating nature. With its combination of breathtaking performance, luxurious comfort, and advanced technology, the 2026 BMW M8 remains at the pinnacle of high-performance grand tours. Whether on the open highway or the racetrack, the M8 delivers an unparalleled driving experience, making it a top choice for enthusiasts who demand the best. Its aggressive yet sophisticated design ensures it stands out in any setting, while the cutting-edge features and craftsmanship showcase BMW's commitment to excellence. This is Next General Rides, where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and deep dives into the most exciting vehicles on the market. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth coverage of the newest cars and automotive trends.